Definitely may spoilers to, pero pag-uusapan natin yung Hinokami Kagura and sun breathing. Kasi yung big question is, are they the same? Aside from the fact na dance yung isa tapos sword forms yung isa, yung movements kasi nila are relatively the same. Just to clarify, hindi talaga explicitly tinuro ni Yorichi yung sun breathing kay Sumiyoshi. Siya yung ancestor ni Tanjiro. Yung ginawa kasi ng ancestor niya is pinanood lang niya ng pinanood si Yorichi na ginagawa yung movement tapos tinandaan niya. Aside from the insane feat that was, hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin na na-master niya yung sun breathing. Kasi one of the things that we actually know about the breathing forms, hindi porket alam mo yung form, ibig sabihin kaya mo na siyang gawin. Like si Yorichi, literally marami siyang tinuruan ng sun breathing pero hindi nila ma-execute ng maayos. So while maraming mga sun breath users, wala talagang nakamaster ng sun breathing except Yorichi. Or at least pwede nating sabihin na same level ng mastery katulad ng mastery ni Yorichi. And yes, dahil hindi nga Demon Slayer si Sumiyoshi, pinas down niya to as dances. And even if it was passed down for hundreds of years, it was still surprisingly accurate dun sa original version. So 12 out of the 13 forms should be relatively the same. And as we discover, yung 13th form ng sun breathing is literally just all of the sun breathing forms performed repeatedly. So basically, lahat ng kailangan mo para matutunan yung sun breathing is there na sa Hinokami Kagura. And while hindi nila to na perfect sa same level na ginagawa ni Yorichi, I would still say na technically, this could still be considered na sun breathing. Kasi it really just depends on how you want to look at it. Kung gusto mo sabihin na hindi kasi dance talaga yung isa sword forms, okay, sige, eti on a technicality, maybe tama ka. Pero to me kasi, ang tingin ko sa kanya, pareho lang yan. And another interesting fact is, sa future kasi, dahil nga tinalo na nila si Muzan, wala nang need for Demon Slayers, yung mga sword forms naging dance din. Kasi at the end of the day, these are just forms, steps. Ang pinagkaiba lang is, ginagamit mo for combat, yung isa ginagamit mo for dance. Pero the principles behind them should be relatively the same. Kaya nga diba nagagamit ni Tanjiro yung Hinokami Kagura for combat. Can't really blame the Kamado family for not mastering something na a lot of people were not able to master din. Remember, maraming tinuruan ng sun breathing and wala sa kanilang naka-perfect na to. At the end of the day, they are relatively the same. Siguro opinion na lang talaga kung sino man yung nag-analyze kung consider nila na parehong-pareho siya. Nice.